President Donald Trump is continuing his plans to shrink the size of the federal government. The president is now planning to fire 15,000 workers as the IRS as soon as next week. Those employees are on probationary status, which means they started working at the agency within the last 2 years, and their jobs are not directly related to processing tax filings. The job cuts are targeting about 200,000 probationary federal employees across the government. So far, job cuts have hit Homeland Security, the Department of Energy, Veterans Affairs, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The Pentagon is also bracing for possible cuts. The Justice Department formally asked a New York federal judge Friday evening to drop the public corruption case against New York City Mayor Eric Adams. ABC's Zorin Shah has the latest.
The Department of Justice has filed a motion to dismiss corruption charges against New York City Mayor Eric Adams after a series of top prosecutors resigned in protest this week. An attorney in the Justice Department signed the paperwork Friday evening, which was required to move forward with seeking the formal dismissal of charges. 7 prosecutors had resigned, refusing an order to drop the charges against Eric Adams. The protest starting with Danielle Sassoon, the U.S. attorney in Manhattan, who accused the Justice Department and Adams of negotiating a quid pro quo, dumping the case in exchange for the mayor's help with President Trump's immigration crackdown. Today, Adams denied it.
I didn't do anything wrong. Throughout the entire ordeal, I said one thing. My attorney will handle the legal part. I'm going to handle running the city.
Adams was indicted in September on 5 counts, with federal prosecutors alleging he accepted illegal gifts, including plane upgrades and hotel stays, from Turkish officials in exchange for preferential treatment when he was Brooklyn borough president and later as mayor. Adams pleaded not guilty, has repeatedly denied any wrongdoing. Now that the paperwork is filed, a federal judge will still have to decide whether the case can be dismissed. Zorin Shah, ABC News, Los Angeles.